Hey, I'm Amy Kadora, and I'm sitting here with the lead chemists from EMP, Teresa and Lindsay. And I can't wait to hear what they have to say about our laundry products. So Teresa, unlike some of our competitors, our no-no list of ingredients at Norwex really helps us to narrow down what we're willing to include in our formulas. So why would you say it's important that these harmful ingredients are not included in the formulating strategies for our laundry products?
Well, some quaternary compounds can be harmful, such as quat 15 and quat 24, are chemicals that we avoid in our development. These specific quats can disrupt important cellular processes in the body and have been linked to a broad range of health issues, including reproductive and developmental problems in some animals. They also affect the lungs. They can contribute to asthma and other developed breathing issues. They can irritate your skin and cause rashes. Phosphate salts, such as trisodium phosphate, are chemicals that are effective at cleaning, even lubricating, removing stains, but they cause huge ecological damage to lakes and to rivers. In other words, a body of water becomes overrun to the extent that the algae and the cyanobacteria grow and grow so much that it depletes a lot of the oxygen from that supply of water.
Also, using the principles of green chemistry, for our products, we choose safer and more environmentally conscious alternatives like sodium carbonate, for example. Borax and boric acid might have good cleaning properties, but they can also act as pesticides. Residual levels of borax and boric acid left behind on your clothes can irritate the skin and eyes. They can also hurt your nose, throat, and lungs if you breathe them in. Instead, we use sodium bicarbonate, which you may know as baking soda, and it has similar properties but is extremely safe to use in our laundry products. Using this holistic approach, the Norwex scientific team has built a library of cleaning agents that have been thoroughly evaluated for their human health, safety, and positive environmental impact. It's very important to us.
Guys, thank you so much for having me over today. Love to chat with you and learn so much about, our products and how they're developed. So appreciate both of you very much.
Absolutely. We love talking about green chemistry and our developmental strategies.
Perfect.
But since you are here, we would like to make you an honorary scientist for the day.
Aww.
And we have this to bestow upon you.
Now, is it just for the day or is this indefinitely?
It can be as long of a day as you would like.
As long as a day, okay.
You come here.
Anytime you come.
Does this mean I come in the lab and I can help you develop the product?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's pose.